Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Teams and switching to Calendar. This is where your leave lives. Click the day you want, then drag to cover the full dates or click New Meeting to open details. Once done, pick the event type, use out of office for blocked time so others see you're absent. Add a clear title like Annual Leave and include any essential notes for your team. Make sure your team's account and calendar sync with Outlook to reflect changes everywhere. Next, you'll complete the event details to prevent scheduling conflicts. Set precise start and end times and enable recurrence if it repeats. This saves manual edits later. Choose Show As, out of office so booking systems block you automatically, versus busy which may behave differently. Add anyone who needs notice, like your manager, and place a concise description with handover notes. Once everything looks correct, double-check time zone setting. Finally, save the event and send updates so attendees and shared calendars receive notice. Once saved, verify the leave appears in Outlook and on your mobile Teams app. Sync delays can occur for a few minutes. If the event does not show, sign out and sign back in, or clear the Teams cache to force a refresh. If your manager needs to approve, follow your org process and make sure you communicate any last-minute changes directly to your team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.